All right, hello everybody. Scott Girard here, and today I'm going to talk about Clickfunnels 2.0 and your funnel. This is a funnel tutorial, and this is part 2 of this tutorial. So in the previous one, you can stick around to the end of this video and see the previous one if you like, or I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. But we're gonna go right into it here. So now we've got our funnel steps created. Now we want to go in and set up the delivery, because this is a free course. You can have a delivery page of a PDF as well, and that would go to like a Google Docs or something. But this is a free course opt-in. So what we want to go do now is we'll go into the funnel itself here, and there's a couple of different ways to get to this, but now we want to, up here, it'll say add a new or existing workflow. So we can go into a workflow here, and I can add in a existing workflow. Different workflows are in here. I'll just create a new one. And this is Scott's for free course opt-in, and the event type is opt-in, and then create the workflow. So then it's going to go to your workflows here. It sets up your triggers automatically. So when we go in here, we want to enable this. Everything's disabled by default we're in Clickfunnels 2.0. And that is because in Clickfunnels 1, what they noticed a lot of people saying was, I just want to test things out. I don't want to have them live right away. So they decided to, instead of having them live immediately, they have them not live. So everything in here you have to enable, which is a good thing, because now sometimes in the first version of Clickfunnels you would create something and not realize that it's it's live and people are going to it and it's not even done yet. So what you do here is you have that as an opt-in, and then the first stage in this is to deliver you want to enroll them in a course. So no published courses found. Sorry, I gotta show you have to create a course for this. So I'm gonna go back. I do have courses, but none of them are published. So I'll just publish one of my test courses here, and now we can go in and go back to you can actually get to it by going to marketing, and then here is the one, Scott's free course opt-in. You can edit this workflow. It'll show up based on the order you created them. And now we want to add in access to this course. And Scott's course, create that step. So now you enroll them in the course. The next step, of course, would be to send out an email. So you can go send an email. And I'm just going to go testing. You would create a welcome to your course. You can have a pre-headline here. You select where it's coming from. I always use myname@domain.com. Create that step. You want to put in a template here. So in your templates, you could have a I'll just have my template welcome email. So you'll select that. You can have a general welcome email for people, and then edit it as you want for that. Design email is here in the next step here. So we go create, and it's going to go in, and we're going to design the email here in a minute. It's going to load up. Now this is now we can edit this as we want and put in our text, but I'll go save and exit, and it's going to exit out. And now we can go back to workflows and edit this workflow. And now it has an email step. So now I will go in and create another email. So this is where you can have a delay of maybe 1 day. Create that, and then put in another email, and then this is where you have your email sequence of sending them information about the course, and then maybe they want to enroll in your higher level program. So you create all your emails in this workflow just like that, and then once you're done, you want to make it live. But I'm just going to X out of here. That's how you do that. You make this workflow live, enable it. And once you've enabled it, then this is what's going to happen. So I will go into now the funnel that we created and show you exactly what happens with this. Once we go in here, I'll go back into the funnel itself, and now we want to make this one here, the free course opt-in. We want to go into edit funnel and make it no, not edit funnel. Oh, sorry, yes, we do want to go into edit funnel. And here where it says test mode, you want to click on no, update funnel, and now it will show up as live. So we can go in and we can click on open in new window. This is going to bring up the funnel steps. So I'll put in my name and email here. And of course I didn't put that in, but I'll just go through each step. When you click on get started today, it's going to have them go to a page where they select this product, and then they're going to be automatically in the product stages. They're going to be enrolled depending on how you have it set up. But now I will go to my email here. And we'll go in. I should receive an email, new course available, Welcome to your course. So that came through quite quickly, actually, and so this is the new course. This is what they'll receive. They'll come in here, click on View the Course, and they can go in and go right directly from their email. Of course, I don't have this set up or anything, but they can go in and go into their course that you created. So I hope that explains what to do to set up a funnel. Of course, if you want, the video is going to be over here on the left hand side for the first stage, or the first part of this, and of course, if you're liking this and you want to try it, you don't have ClickFunnels 2.0 yet, and you want to try it out, there's a link to try out your for a 30-day free trial, and that will include over $12,000 worth of free bonuses. And then I add in extra bonuses when you choose to continue with ClickFunnels after your 30-day free trial. And we go from there. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know in the comments below if there's anything that needs clarification, or if you want to be shown something else. Have an amazing day. My name is Scott Girard, and this is your ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial.